What's up, everybody? This is Sugar Bear here at Chicken Shack RC. Today's video will be on how to replace the A-arm on a T4.1 stadium buggy by Team Associated. There's a story behind this repair. This is the second A-arm on the left side of the vehicle that I have replaced since Saturday, and both times it has broke at the same place, right here at the set screw on these Team Associated front A-arms, number 7446. I'm thinking about switching to RPM. Yeah, I cheated. I took the tire off already, so remember to take off the tire to get to this the hub carrier here. And as you see, we have the hub carrier totally separated from the vehicle. I'm truly becoming a fan of all plastic parts. I've had some bad experiences with these aluminum parts. They look good, but I really think they take away from the functionality of the vehicle. That being said, let's go ahead and start this repair and replacement of the A-arm on the T4.1. Alright, the first thing we'll have to do is we're going to have to remove this front plate right here. And for that, I have a Connexus tool screwdriver here with a H5 Allen wrench front tip. Excuse me. I'm going to take out here this face plate here. I usually use my handy dandy scale screwdriver, but I don't have a bit that'll fit these faceplate screws. And it's very important to have a pit mat for the reasons, as you can see, is I just pull my screws out and I let them drop right below where I'm working at. So this faceplate is off. Okay, the faceplate's off here. Golly, it want to come off this hinge, this front hinge of the right side here. That means it's good. There we go. All right, put this pin back in there so I don't mess up that A-arm. All right, and then we have to turn it over, and we have a set screw right here. And for that set screw is same tool, I believe. Yeah, the H5. Now this one here is a little tricky, so I put that close to me along beside the screwdriver. Then I can flip the vehicle back over here, use my curved pliers and pull out this hinge pin. Or no, I'm gonna push it out and then I'll pull it from under here. Maybe you want to get a better look like this here. That hinge pin comes right out. I'll put it with the face plate. Then I'll just remove this A-arm, and to fully remove it I must use my skill screwdriver and a 3/32 bit to remove the screw holding the shock to the A-arm. That being said, fully remove this screw. There we go. Open this pack of the Team Associated front A-arms, T4 left and right, number 7446. Oh, no scissors. Well, not going to use my teeth, so use my handy dandy pliers to pull it open. And I cheat, because sometimes in the midst of things I will put the wrong part on the vehicle. So I know how the old one came off, so I just size it up. This will be my left one here. Check for burrs. Good to go. And then before I put this A-arm back on, we have the set screw that's actually on the back end of the carrier. And this one is a 1.5 millimeter team associated screwdriver set, or hex set. So I'm going to move this set screw. Okay. And then what we have here is an outer hinge pin, and it comes from this set, the outer hinge pin set B4 number 9622 by Team Associated. It comes with multiple different sizes of outer hinge pins, so that's why I picked it up. So that set screws out, broken piece. I'm gonna have to pull out I'm gonna have to pull out this hinge pin set, catch my little spacers, and what I'll do is I'll bring the A-arm up, size it up to the vehicle, and I will do the internal installation, or the installation here once again with this long hinge pin through the back of it. And again, it's another aspect of RC racing that I enjoy. It's called wrenching. It does get trying at times. Once again, we'll just take this set screw, place it back in that hinge pin hole, so the hinge pin stays in. Bam. That's one set down. Then I think I'm gonna go ahead and put my face plate back on. Now I have to juggle with this A-arm over here. There. I'm gonna go ahead and put this front face plate back on. There's no reason for me not to do it. And let me make sure I'm putting it on right. Yep. I'm sorry if my fingers are getting in your way, but these are some tight spaces. Also, like for you guys to leave comments at the end of the video. Again, this may not be how you do it, but here is how we do it here at the Chicken Shack RC. I don't mean to be that serious today, but I'm focused. And I'm working through the process of having to repair a vehicle 2 times within a week. That's not something I like to do, and this one was nothing. It's like I built a track in my yard, and I was just running around some tires, and I actually was on the brake and slid on some grass and hit a tire and snapped the A-arm. And I actually just fixed the A-arm on, what's the day, Tuesday? Today's Tuesday. Yeah, I just fixed the A-arm on Sunday. So now that we have that A-arm reconnected to the vehicle, we can now connect the A-arm to the actual carrier. Got my set screw. Alright, my wife is dinging me. Pick the fine time. So here we go. My hinge pin again. I'm gonna slide this in. I like to cheat with these hinge pins. Put this, and actually this is a little mod, want to think it is. It's a piece of nitro fuel tubing. During the last accident, I lost my spacers in here, and because I don't really race with this vehicle, I'm not concerned about anything throwing off my suspension or anything like that. It's just to basically get this thing back up and running. I'm having major difficulties with this today. Man, move. Alright, so let's try this here. There we go. Push that back here. Then put this carrier. Hope you guys can see. Again, I apologize if my fingers are in the way. Put this carrier through here. Give myself a little bit of hinge pin so that I can see it going into this carrier. There we go. Yeah, I want the carrier and the A-arm as straight as possible. There we go. We got that one in. Now we're gonna have to turn it upside down. Slide this little fuel tubing back, and then take my trusty little pliers here. These little curved Craftsman or Stanley tools. Yeah, Stanley. Nothing. Oh, nothing. Nothing expensive, really. Man, I'm really having a time today. Usually this would be a 5 or 10 minute fix. Bear with me. Appreciate your patience. And another thing is, sometimes it's better just to stand up and work on the vehicle. If you agree, please leave a comment. Again, let's see if we can get this thing to snap in. There we go. As you see, it's flush. And we take our set screw, put the set screw right there. And almost voila. There we go. And then turn the vehicle over. Once again, I apologize for those technical difficulties. And we're going into hole 1. One of my friends once told me, when you take out these shocks, always remember where you put them at, or leave them in the leave the screw in the actual hole that you took it out of, so you don't forget where it was and mess up your overall setting. And there is a fixed A-arm on a T4.1. As you can see, it's all nice and good, nice and tight. And we'll put the tire on. Check out my suspension. Alright, there. 11/32 screw. The dynamite 11/32. And you just wiggle it around, and there we go. What I'm running here, J Concepts Carvers rib tires, good for all surfaces. My backyard is kind of loamy. It's a mix of sand and dirt, so let's move this out of the way and let's put it down. See what we're working with here. There we go. And that is how Sugar Bear fixes an Aeon here at the Chicken Shack RC. I thank you for watching this video. Please leave any comments at the end of the in the comment section. And once again, this may not be how you do it, but this is how we do it here at the Chicken Shack RC. Signing off.